Hey, good morning guys, it's Brad with BOLO Pickers. We had 10 sales yesterday, 9 have paid, so we're going to pull those 9 and show you what sold. Stay tuned. Hey guys, it's Brad with BOLO Pickers. Hey, I'm thinking about doing a live Q&A once a week on YouTube or Facebook. If you're interested in that, please put yes in the comments below and then enjoy this video. Good morning everybody. It is Friday morning. We had 10 sales yesterday on eBay and we're going to pull 9 orders. 9 of the 10 paid, a little better percentage than what we've been seeing. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started and roll right through these. So the first item up is in tote 4. It's some Paw Patrol Toys, and right here, that was easy. It's usually not that easy. That's what they look like. They're Paw Patrol Toys, and it was just a pack of all of them. This sold for $15 and the buyer paid shipping. I think these were $2 a piece, so we're probably breaking even on them. I think we had different plans for them, and then we just ended up selling them on eBay to get our money back. So not a great sale. I wouldn't suggest trying to to search those out to sell because they're not worth very much, so especially for what you pay for them. Next item up is Harry Potter stickers, and I believe they're down here in this box. Yep. So this is 52 Harry Potter stickers. These we order online, and they cost us about $1, or I'm sorry, they cost us about, I think it's about 50 cents a pack. And there's 52 stickers in there, I believe. Let me double check that number. Yeah, 52 stickers and decals, and that sold for $11.49 with free shipping. So we'll put that in a little padded mailer and send it on its way. So a pretty good deal there. We sell those every so often. I order them in bulk. I think I order like 20 at a time, and we just list them like that. Box 9 has a Motorworks 2003 Ford Taurus diecast car. Paid $2.99 for this at Goodwill, I believe, and that's a 2003 model, because I think the other one is a 2004. Yeah, there's a 2004 model. Let me double check and make sure it's 2003. It is. This sold for $10 plus the buyer paid shipping, and like I said, I think we had either $1.99 or $2.99 in it at Goodwill. That'd be an easy ship. It's a pretty cool little car. It's like it's a collector's edition diecast model kit, so you put it together. Pretty cool little thing, probably to help somebody stay entertained during these times. Next up is a Fitbook for Life 6-week weight loss journal. This sold for $14.22, and as you can see, we have a large stack of them here. I paid 99 cents for each of these at the thrift store, and I'm gonna stick a label on the back of this because it's sticky. Eesh. Anyways, that will go into a bubble mailer, and $14.22. Let's see if they paid shipping. Nope, free shipping on that, so it's gonna cost us about $3 to ship. Not a bad little deal there, and we sell one of those probably like one every 3 or 4 weeks, so nothing super fast. I've had this item for a little while. It is a club cover, and it's a King Cobra Speed LD driver golf head cover, and this was bought for $10 plus the buyer paid shipping. This is just going to go into a poly bag. It's already sealed in a protective bag. I'll put it in a poly bag and we'll send it on its way, and shouldn't cost us more than $2 or $3, but the buyer paid shipping, so we're all set on that item. Next up is an item that I got for free. So somebody on a Facebook group was like, hey, I got a bunch of stuff that's free on my porch, first come first serve, one of those types of things. So I went and I actually grabbed these 3 skulls up here, which are really cool. These 3 right here, I thought they were cool. I listed them all together. They're made in Mexico. Hopefully we can get some decent money out of that. But anyways, on to the actual item that sold already. Was these Disney Walkie Talkies. The packaging's a little bit beat up. This will slide into a large poly or a large bubble mailer, and let me see what those sold for. They sold for $10.95 free shipping. They're super light. It's gonna cost us about $3 to ship them out. And yeah, anytime you can get to the porch first to pick up is always a good thing. And I want to say I grabbed something else, hasn't sold yet, but I can't remember what it was. I know it was a pretty good item though. So we have a Grease 2 DVD that sold, and we have been flying through these, and this one sold for $4.90. It's going to cost $2.80 to ship, so we're going to make a couple bucks after shipping and fees and all that. And we're getting down to our last 3 there. We had about 20 of these at one point, so we'll slide that into a bubble mailer and ship it out media mail for $2.80. Make a couple bucks on it. Super quick, super easy, and we've been selling at least one of those a day right now. Here's an item I found at the thrift store. It is supposedly in tote 4, and it looks like a drop ship because they've asked for no price tags for this order. Torro replacement spool, and it's supposed to be in tote 4, which tote 4 is the hardest one to dig around in because there's just so much stuff in there, and it's really hard for you guys to see, but I think it's right there. Did we get lucky? We got lucky. It was right there. So sold just under $8 for that, free shipping, bubble mailer. It's gonna cost about $3 to ship it out. It's super duper light. So we make $3 or $4 there. So not a lot of big dollar sales going out today. And actually, as we're standing here, we just got a couple more sales and an offer, which I'm gonna accept. We'll see if they pay right away so you guys can see it on the video. Very cool. Okay, so yeah, we had another Grease 2 DVD sell, literally as we're talking about it. So let me walk down here and grab the other one. We only got 2 of them left now. This is getting pretty interesting on these. They're really selling. This one also sold for $5. So there's 2 more. We sold 2 yesterday. We sold 2 more today. That's always a good thing to see merchandise moving. We just had this sell as well, and this is a World Market French press decorative ceramic coffee pot, and it's right behind those skulls that I just pointed out. And this sold for $14.30 plus the buyer paid shipping. This is something my wife found. It's pretty cool. It's a French press, ceramic French press. So there's the French press part. Really clean, really good condition. And that sold, I think she paid, it's from World Market. I want to say we paid like $2 for this, or we got it for free. I'm not sure. So I know we made probably at least $10 on that, even after the shipping and packing and all of that stuff. So page now. Sorry guys, I'm gonna dig through here to make sure I got everything. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus we sold, and they haven't paid for. I'm gonna go ahead and show you these guys. They haven't paid. They may be in the video tomorrow, who knows. BS1A2 is here. This is a Mickey Mouse plush that I paid 69 cents for, I believe. And he had some stains on his hands a little bit, but he's vintage. It's a Disney authentic Woody Mickey. So we're gonna set that right there because they haven't paid yet. But like I said, it paid less than $1. It sold for $10 plus free shipping. We'll put that in a poly bag. It'll be out for less than $3, or right at $3. So we'll make $4 or $5 on that one as well. And then I wanted to show you this item because it's super cool. And let me see if I can find it. It's in box 13, which box 13 has been our hot one as of late. Let me see. I know it's down in the bottom. There it is. It's right back here. So let me set that. I'll show you guys that while I put this box back. So that is a Grease DriveIn Christmas ornament. And it doesn't have the batteries in it, but it does, if you can see, it's got the cool, I don't know what that's called, the picture that changes. I can't remember, but there's a little button on the back here that you press and it starts singing. And it's the actual song from Grease. So really, really cool. I paid 69 cents for that at Goodwill, and I was super excited when I found it because I knew it was going to sell, and it sold for $15.88 and the buyer paid shipping for it. So we were super excited about that sale. All right, that looks like everything today. So looks like 10 orders. We're probably going to end up shipping out a couple more as we go. Today, as we're shipping, we usually get the payments in for the others, and we'll ship those out. I'm thinking about doing a live stream online Q&A through YouTube every week. If that's something that would interest you, please put yes down in the comments, and we can get that started. So if you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Subscribe to the channel. Check out all of our videos. I try to do one every single day. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Stay safe out there.